This is the chamber insert for the Advanced Combustion via Microgravity Experiments project, otherwise known as ACME. ACME is a set of 5 combustion experiments. They'll be carried out on the International Space Station in the Combustion Integrated Rack, otherwise known as the SIR, built here at NASA Glenn Research Center and in Cleveland. The 5 ACME experiments all deal with laminar, non-premixed, gas-fueled flames. So this insert is the second to go up to be used in the SIR facility. The one that's up on the space station now is for droplet combustion experiments. Here with gases, they'll flow through this end of the chamber insert. So both gas connections, electrical connections, and water cooling connections are made at this end of the insert. Here in the center part of the insert is where the science happens. So we have different burners for the 5 experiments. They plug into this end of the insert. And an example is the spherical burner that's sitting in front of the chamber insert. So the gaseous fuel is ignited with a hot wire igniter that's seen here in its retracted position, but it rotates in and will energize a hot wire to ignite the flame. A hot wire is similar to what you'd find in a toaster oven. Then we'll be making mostly optical measurements of the flames. There's a suite of 4 different cameras outside the chamber, and then there's one camera that's inside the chamber that'll be used to support the real-time operations. We also have other non-imaging optical sensors. We'll have a set of thermopile detectors for measuring the broadband radiation from the flame. And then we also have a set of 3 photomultiplier tube modules that are here within the chamber insert. Those will be used for detecting extinction of the flame and for measuring the chemiluminescent emission from excited species, so OH star and CH star. In making all of these measurements, we're hoping to improve our fundamental understanding of flames and combustion in general, and use that to improve practical combustion here on the Earth, improving fuel efficiency, reducing pollutant emission. And for one of the experiments, we also are using its results to improve spacecraft fire safety. So ACME is primarily about our energy use and environment here on the Earth.